proceed to our experiment, we will have a short discussion about the topic. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Matter is everything that we see, touch, smell, and feel.
Matter is composed of three different states of matter that people on Earth mostly come across. Those three states are solid, liquid, and gas.
Example of solid are chair, rack, spoon, TV, and many more. Example of liquid are water, vinegar, milk, and so on. Example of gas are oxygen, helium, and carbon dioxide.
Now, we wanted to show you how a certain object can change its states from liquid to gas. For our first experiment, we'll be needing a vinegar, a baking soda, an empty bottle, a balloon, and a funnel. First, we'll put the liquid state materials, which is the vinegar, into an empty bottle and gently pour it so that it will not spill out. Second, we will put our solid states, which is the baking soda, into the balloon using the funnel. And gently put it in the bottle so that it will not spill.
And then, gently pour it into the vinegar.
Mixing these two ingredients will get you a reaction. This creates the bubbles and foam you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda in contact with the vinegar will release gases which put into the balloon so that the balloon will expand.
For our second experiment, we'll be going to investigate the properties of liquid and observe how they behave on different circumstances.
For example, if we drop an ice cube in a glass of water, we already know that the ice cube will eventually float, right? And the real question here is that with that reaction example we showed earlier, does all liquid react in the same way? That's what we are going to find out.
For these experiments, we need 4 glasses, oil, soda, salty water, and ordinary water, and also ice tray cube.
So the first thing to do, we will fill the 4 species of the ice tree with the different kinds of the liquid so that we can freeze it, and don't forget the leveler. And now you put the different kinds of the liquid on the ice tree cube. First, the ordinary water. Second, the salty water. The third is soda. And the last is the oil. And you freeze it.
Second thing to do is to fill the 4 glasses with the same liquid in the tray. Salty water, and oil.
Now it seems the cube is different kinds of liquid are now frozen. So we're gonna remove the frozen cube and drop them in the same liquid. Let's see what happened.
Now first, we drop the ordinary water ice cube into the ordinary water in the glass. We can see that the cube floats just like the example. It's because the water is less dense than the helium liquid.
Second, we will drop the saltwater cube into its same liquid in the glass. We can see that the saltwater cube floats.
Third, we will drop the soda cube into the glass with the same liquid, and we will try to see if the cube floats.
And lastly, we will drop the oil cube into the glass with the same liquid. So it does sink.
So therefore, some ice cubes have a lot of air trapped inside of them, others don't. The ones with air trapped inside will definitely float, but because of the absence of air in oil, the frozen oil cube sank.